Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today we're here and we're going to be doing a video of Kit Leader Wildcats. So we're going to do a new game right here. Oh, turn that down. It says you were lucky to be born in Brooklyn. What should I name you? And I have like one burn here, so I'm going to see like mud. Let's do... let's do... One second here, let me think. Since I love Anna so much, I'm going to name myself Anna Kit. I'm gonna be a she cat because I am a girl in real life, but sometimes I be a boy. Okay, so I'm gonna go explore outside. Oh, and it's almost dark, so never mind. Yeah, your mother wants to see you in the nursery. I don't care. Oh, let's go back in there. Yeah, sure. I'll go see if my brother's okay. I don't even know who he is. Are you my brother? Oh no, you aren't. Oh, no, I don't think so. Oh, okay, that's my brother. But why don't you tell them yourself? I'll just tell them anyways. Oh, yeah, you're welcome. My hunger's ached. I need to stock up after a little bit. Hi. No. Yes. Thank you for the job. I'm gonna go back home now. Okay, and here we go. I'm going to bed. Okay, let's look. Oh, don't stay stuck in there. Okay, bye. Moss. Oh, yeah. There we go. Hi. Bye. Okay, let's see. Oh, Bram Star wants to see me, I guess, and I'm big. Oh, look at that thickness. Oh, look at that thickness. Gotta see that thickness. Anapa, yay. Dude, I'm gonna eat. Yay, Manapa. Yay. I'm glitching. There. I'm gonna fight you. Yeah, sure. Yes, I'm gonna fight. No, I don't wanna keep. Come on, shit. Alright. You wanna fight again? I'll fight. Come on. Yes, I wanna fight. Yeah, sure. I'll fight you. Oh god. Look at her health. I'm gonna fight you again. And then that's all. I swear. Yay. I won. Oh, I'm not an apprentice then. I'm an apprentice. I must go in the apprentice then. There we go. Nope. Yes. 10. 28. 20. 25. 24. 21. 22. Ooh, yay. I guessed it right. Just good. I'm gonna train with you, even though you're a warrior. And there you go. Nah. Okay, I'm gonna go hunt. Oh, I found gem. Cool gem. I'm gonna go hunt. Here we go. Go to bed. Why do I keep clicking on that then? Yes, I do, actually. Let's think of 30. Too high. 23. Too high. 10. Too high. 1. Too low. 5. Too low. 8. Ooh, I did it. That's surprising. Yes, it is. Treated. Tiger. Okay. No. Oh, so I have to battle train until I get it right? Yay! Yay! I'm becoming a warrior. I have became Onatail. Onatail, Onatail, Onatail. No, I'm not looking for a mate. No. Maybe later. Okay. Yeah, fine. I'm looking for a mate. Oh, you're a girl, so. Ooh. Who are you? Ooh, that scared me. Oh, what? Oh, you're my sister. Oh, I'm out. Oh, she left. What? Okay. Oh, okay. Alright, so I just asked this dude to be my mate, and he said yes. This dude right here. I like you, so we're mates now, so yeah. Yeah. You're a nightmare. What? Want to leave the forest and never live on the farm? No! No! Look. So cute. I'll name him Stone. No way. Well, alright, so I'm leader now. See, I'm leader. Yeah, I'm leader. Yes, I'm leader. What? What? What that? What's up? What? Oh, wow. Just wow. She gave me the ear. Bye guys. I hope you guys like this video. Bye.